Hello and welcome to a SARS TV video on the two-pot retirement system that came into effect on the 1st of September 2024. This video will provide a practical demonstration of how to access the two-pot retirement system tax calculator on the SARS WhatsApp channel. SARS has introduced a new income tax calculator functionality on the SARS WhatsApp channel. You can send us a WhatsApp on 0800 11 7277 to access this functionality. Please note that to use the tax calculator functionality, you will need your gross income amount, your income tax reference number, and the amount you would like to withdraw. Step 1. Type "Hi" or "Hello." SARS will respond with a description of the service offerings and a service request menu. Step 2. The Choose an Option tab will display a list of service offerings. Select Tax Reference Number should you not have access to your income tax reference number. You will be prompted to enter your South African ID number. Your tax reference number will be displayed on your screen. In addition, your notice of registration letter will be emailed to you. Once you have your tax reference number, you can then click on Yes to proceed to the next step. Select the two-pot retirement system calculator option on the Choose an Option tab and click Send to access your tax calculator. You will be prompted to enter your income tax reference number. Your screen will prompt you to capture your monthly income amount and the amount you wish to withdraw. When you are done, select Calculation to display your results. You will now be redirected to the two-pot retirement system tax calculator, which is located on the SARS website. You can now capture all required fields for the tax calculator to display the projected tax amount. Kindly note that the accuracy of the two-pot retirement system tax calculator is dependent on the figures that you capture. Also note that the results provided by the two-pot retirement system tax calculator are for informational purposes only. They are not legally binding and do not constitute official advice from the South African Revenue Service. SARS is committed to supporting you in any way possible. Please be advised that while WhatsApp offers end-to-end encryption to help ensure the security and privacy of your communications, the protection of your information also depends on the security practices you employ.
Thanks for watching. SARS, at your service.